At more than 200 sites throughout Minnesota, watershed professionals are taking the pulse of rivers. They're part of the Watershed Pollutant Load Monitoring Network. This network measures the amount of several pollutants traveling down Minnesota's major rivers and streams. Through intensive monitoring, this network measures and compares regional differences in water quality. The data also help determine long-term water quality trends. At most of the network monitoring sites, there is a structure with equipment that tracks the stream levels. Most of these structures are owned by the United States Geological Survey, the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources, or the Army Corps of Engineers. It is valuable to obtain the reading from the data logger when sampling. This program provides a tutorial on how to do that. Jim Pogarels is a hydrologist with the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources. He's on the Long Prairie River near Motley to show how to obtain the stream stage from the data logger.
To obtain a water stage, you'll first have to open up the box. Inside the gauge house, you'll see a lot of different components. Today we are focusing on the data logger. To obtain a water stage, you click the black button and that will turn the unit on. The first number you will see is the date. Clicking it twice, the second number you'll see is the time. The third number is the stage. That is the number we are interested in. You'll want to press and hold this down to obtain a fresh water stage. I usually do this 3 times to get an average. To power through the data logger, just simply keep clicking the black button till it shows that the logger is turning off. Another way to obtain the water stage is by opening up the logger, pressing the on and off key, and then we'll scroll through the sequence of numbers again. Date, time, stage. If you do go through this way, if you press and hold enter, that is how you refresh the stage elevation. And like I said, I usually do that 3 times to get the average. And then you can just simply press escape and then turn it off. And be sure to close and lock the data logger hood. And that is how you get a water stage inside the gauge house from the data logger.
These readings will become part of an extensive database of water quality across Minnesota. Through this network, the MPCA, Metropolitan Council Environmental Services, and local partners collect water quality samples from major rivers. These specialists then compute stream pollutant loads by coupling sampling data with discharge data from the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources and United States Geological Survey. This monitoring work is funded by the Clean Water, Land and Legacy Amendment. The MPCA coordinates and oversees this network of professionals from state agencies, local governments, and watershed groups.